Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
No, that's okay. Go back to work. We'll keep on looking.
Thanks, Queenie.
You're big.
You are a famous race car? A real race car?
Yes, I'm a real race car. What do you think? Look at me.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Ahí va de regreso.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Estás de vacaciones?
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Wake up, Mr. Giraffe, please!
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen!
Förlorar den blir av med all extra utrustning och förvandlas till standardmodell.
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons go.
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Hit me now!
Connection acknowledged. Deploying chute.
Gentlemen, start your engine!
Goodbye, Radiator Springs, and goodbye, Bessie.
Close as I can. Your suit will transfer your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do this.
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay,
Aquí recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the plain job.
I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought I'd refuel in Hawaii, but
Hawaii is 3.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
Well, she had a great teacher. And now you get to...
That was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me!
Neither one of them has a single death.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that! I'm about to commit a moving violation! Good to have you back, honey!
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Pete, what's your special? It's a lion. Bust. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad.